This video will show you two things about your VBulletin forum. One, how to administer the forum with regards to adding subforums and categories. And two, how to add content. So we'll start with adding a forum to your VBulletin forum. By way of reference or example, here is a forum. It has a number of categories: start, discussion, blinker. It's got a number of subforums, for instance, start, goal, discussion, and setup. We're going to go ahead and add a new subforum. So inside the admin CP area that you need to log into, you want to scroll down till you see forums and moderators, forum manager, and then in here you will see what looks a lot like this in the order that you specified. So the display order here determines how it shows up in the forum. So let's go down and add a new forum. We're going to call it test. Actually, we're going to add, this will be a category. Forum link, display order. Act as a forum? No, we actually want to have it act as a category. So let's do that. That's the only change I'm going to make here. So if I refresh this page, I should see a category called test. Now there's nothing underneath there. So let's go ahead and add a forum underneath test. So I'm going to click on add new forum. Let's call it testing, and a description. In this case, we do want it to act as a forum, and the one thing I do want to select is, let's say it's the parent's forum is test, so it'll be underneath the test category. I'm going to save that, and notice testing shows up under test. If I refresh, there it is. So I create a category called test and a forum called testing. Now let's put it at the very end. So the last number here is 6. So let's change this to 7 and 7. And notice it's now at the bottom. I'm going to refresh this. There it is at the very bottom. So now, second thing is, let's add content. Post a new thread. Test thread. And in here you can type pretty much whatever you want. We're going to add a video, a YouTube video. Let's go to YouTube. Yeah. So I'm going to grab this link here, and I'm going to click on this, insert video, paste that in, click on OK, and notice it wraps what's called tags, in this case video tags, around there. And I'm going to submit new thread. So that's how you go ahead and post content to your VBulletin forum.